Ora, ora. Kamusta kayo? Tara, let's do the Japanese prank. Yoshi, 行くぞ。よ、フィリピン人ですか？
はあ？
今あなたはフィリピンから来たのですか？
English only.
No, I can speak English.
But you're speaking English already.
Ay, tanga mo!
I can't understand you.
Bugok ang putek.
What is bogok?
It means you're handsome.
Oh, you are so bogok.
Lah, baliw to ah.
What? Please, English only.
Are you crazy?
I can't understand English.
Sabi mo English only, tas di mo pa rin maiintindihan. Baliw ka ba?
So weird.
Because I am Japanese. Did you know that I am Gojo?
Wala na. Finish na.
Sample nga.
Yeah. Gojo Satoru だよ。
Shit, pakasta.